Hey, this is Squad. Welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what this is a smart air purifier. And you see for the one that we got right here is from this brand. And then right here in the front, they do provide some specs and features about the product. So they mention how it does have app control. It has aromatherapy, and it also has a high purification rate when you guys do use it. If you guys turn on the side, they do provide some specs and features about the product as well. If you guys turn to the other side, they do provide some more specs about the filter as well. So they mention how to restage the filtering when you guys do use it. And right here in the back, they also provide guys more specs about the product as well. So that is basically everything that's on the package. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys do open up, this is what the inside looks like. So first thing inside, they do provide the cable that's plugged in to actually activate the product. Once you guys do take it out, this is basically what the cable looks like. And then right underneath that, you see we do have the protection layer. If you guys do take it out, once you guys do take it out, and you see underneath that, we do have the actual product. So take it out first. Once you guys do take it out, this is everything that's included inside the package. So right here, you see they do provide guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And inside right here, you see they do provide 2D pad if you guys want to use the aromatherapy option. But now let's take out the wrapper. So once you guys take out the wrapper, this is what the product looks like. If you see the size of the product is not that big, it's a pretty decent size where you can just put it right next to your desk. But right here in front, if you see we do have the brand name. Bottom part right here is the filter option. If you see the way how to design it is like a 360 design. Back part right here is where you can plug in the cable to actually activate it. And top part right here, I'm assuming is where you guys want to put in the pad. So if you guys do peel out the tape, if you guys do take it out, that is basically what the inside looks like. So right here we do have one pad, and the inside right here they do give you guys 2 of them for a total of 3. So I'm assuming if you guys want to put like essential oil on here, feel free to do so. But once you guys are done, you guys can close it back up. Top part right here, you can see we do have a little piece of paper to tell you guys to remove the bag inside. That's inside the filter. But once you guys remove the piece of paper, here is basically what the top part looks like. So we do have the power button, we do have a light option, a timer option, a sleep mode option, a filter reset option, and a fan speed option. So just like any other air purifier, the clean air will come from the top. And the bottom part right here is where they suck up all the dust and etc. And if you guys can see on the bottom, this is what the bottom part looks like. You can see how they do have like the non-slip material to prevent it from moving around when you guys do set it up. And this part right here, we do have the option for you guys to open up. So we have to open it. That is what the inside looks like. So I can take this part out and remove the bag. And that is what the inside looks like. So let's peel out the wrapper and then put it back inside so that we can start using it. So once you guys do take it out, this is what the filter looks like. So I'm not sure if you can see the inside or not, but there's multiple layers of filter inside. But once you guys are done, you have to put it back inside and close it back up. Once you guys close it back up, now you guys are ready to start using it. So let's plug in the cable and show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so we got it plugged in. If you guys turn it on, once you guys turn it on, if you guys can hear that it does turn on. Let me actually turn off the light to show you guys a better point of view what the product looks like. Since it does have the night light option. So see how we do have the light when you guys do use it. But if you guys turn the light, that is basically what the product looks like with the light on. If you guys press on again, that will turn it off. Let's turn back on the light. So right now, you see we do have a level 1. If you guys press on again, now we have level 2. Press on again. Now we have level 3. If you guys don't turn on sleep mode, that is what it sounds like on sleep mode. So it's actually very quiet. If you guys want to turn on timer option, feel free to turn on timer option. You guys basically have the option to use 2 hour, 4 hour, or 8 hours. And right here we do have the filter reset option. So this is what the product looks like when you guys use everything on here. Now let me show you guys how to connect it onto the app. So the first thing you want to do is to download the Govee app if you guys don't have it already. So for me, I already have the apps and I tested so many Govee products. So once you guys have the app all set up, you guys want to press on plus and find the device you guys want. So in this case, we're going to go to a home appliance and look for the air purifier, which is right here. And you guys want to follow the step to connect it. Alright, so I found the device, so I want to connect it. So you basically want to follow the instructions to connect it. So right now you guys want to press the power button. And now we got connected. So I'll tell you guys to name the device. So I'll call it Chris. And I tell you guys to connect it onto Wi-Fi, which is 2.4 network. So I'm actually connected first. Alright, so we got to connect it. So now you can start using it on the app. Or like I mentioned, if you guys want to use voice control, feel free to do so as well. So let's try to use everything on here to show you guys how actually it works. So right now we do have it in low. If I press on medium, it turns to medium. If I turn to high, this is high. If I turn on sleeping option, if I turn on night light, On the app, it allows you guys to change the different color that's on the actual night light. Let me turn off the light to show you guys what I mean. So right now we do have an orange. If I want to change it to white, now you guys have white. If I want to change it to blue, now you guys have blue. If I want to change it to other colors, there's red, there's yellow, there's green, there's light blue, and there's a lot of scenes available as well. So here's one scene, here's another one, here's another one. And you do have the option to make your own scenes if you guys want to as well. And in terms of the brightness level that's on here, you do have the option to increase or lower it. So right now it's at 50%. If I bring it all the way down, this is 1. If I bring it all the way up, this is 100%. Now let's turn back on the light. So just to give you guys a close-up view of what the app looks like, this is basically what the app looks like. So we do have all different settings that just show you guys, and we do have the power button, timer option, and etc. Basically everything that's on the actual air purifier is on here, and so much more. And because the product allows you guys to use app control, you do have the option to use voice control as well. So right now we are having it connected onto Alexa. Let me test it out to show you guys how actually it works. Alexa, turn off Chris. Alexa, turn on Chris. Alexa, change Chris to 1.
Okay.
Change Chris to 3.
Okay.
Turn off Chris.
Okay.
So you can see the voice control definitely does work as well, which is pretty awesome. So definitely really cool how I actually give you guys 3 different ways to control it. One is manually, one is on the app, and one is voice control. And I love the fact that how on the app they do show you guys the filter live, so that way you know when to replace it as well. And obviously when you guys use it, you probably won't see the result instantly. It will take some time. Usually after 1 week or 1 month is when most people see results in terms of all the dust that's inside. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for the smart air purifier, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality air purifier that give you guys everything that's on here. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one. And save your money on something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out. And it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.